Whoa, look at it! Hold it! Wait a minute, there's more! Buckle! Buckle!
Look at it! Yeah. Oh, big L! Oh dear, mate. Give that a wipe though for
Yeah, it's cold there.
Yeah, bro.
Head just
A lumbar support as well. Did you know that?
Oh yeah, it's got it.
Did you know that?
Yeah, I don't need it though. You do, you fucking old bastard.
Trust me, my back was gone last night.
Man, I looked at the S3. I was like, shall I watch it? I was fucking bag of fucking go. Yeah, why not?
Enigma Production.
Is it recording?
It's recording, big man.
Are you sure? Yeah. Welcome back to the video. So as you read by the thumbnail, yo, we got a new car. Here she is, here she is.
Oh boy.
It's right here, look at it, look at it, look at it. Whoa, look at it. Hold it. Wait a minute, there's more. So yo, look, it's a Golf R, Mk7. How many options does it have? It has everything but pan roof.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. That's good enough for me. Look inside it. We've got the LED lights there. It's fucking beautiful, mate. And then we've got the beautiful. It's like a semi-flat bottom, innit?
Yeah.
Semi. And then we've got the big screen, which is what is it, Jeff? 19-inch.
Screen now.
Yeah, the bigger one than the poverty spec one. It's DSG. My first DSG. All 9 of my cars have been auto, so this is a new beginning. Jeff's been teaching me how to use it. This is obviously very hard. But other than that, it's fucking sick, mate. Look at the back of it. But, so, the thing with this car, what is it, Jeff? It's had one owner since new.
Yeah, it's a demo car. So
yeah, it's a demo car.
Owner. One private owner.
One private owner since new, so I'm the second private owner. And it's got 56,000 miles, but it was an old guy, and what he's done here, he's put this on here, bro.
Yeah, look at that.
It looks disgusting, man. And the thing is, I don't know how, do you think we should rip it off?
It's not really worth it because then you're damaging the
fucking
car.
rip half of the shit off, won't it? I hate it, bro, I swear down. I don't know what he's put on it.
It might be double-sided tape, but he's put it on the edge. It's cold, isn't it?
Buckle! Buckle! Oh, it's 4-door as well, look!
Oh shit!
Oh god!
It's got another door there!
You'll have to stay on it, look, fucking curry and shit.
Yeah,
Get rid of the unit. Look how filthy this bag of shit is.
There, yo.
40 years golf.
Nice.
It's like on the glass, or is it
inside though? Stop wiping your fingers, bro.
I know, yeah, I'll be back.
Soggy ass grease ball fingers, bro. Let's do a bit of our own due diligence. Oh, we got the brew there. It's like a must for this flipping. Oh shoot! Look, we got. It's got a low mileage, yeah. This bad boy. It's got his steel toe caps in there. Fresh, bro. Timberlands and that. Alright, okay. I'll have to find out where you got these treads from. Decent. Alright. Hope he's not got anything dodgy in there. For his dry lips, he's got a bit of lip balm there. I told him where to get this from. Give him a little tour around the car, you know what I mean?
Did you?
Start with that, yeah. Oh, you ain't getting through there, big man. Wait. Yeah, do it from there.
It's fucking disgusting, mate.
Just gotta be slow with it. Don't do too much on it, yo. If you don't want to. All that respect for that is free out the window, anyways.
Yeah, bro.
Have you not got a thinner one than that? Oh, we got it. Yeah, I think it's tape. Bloody hell.
Oh, it's cracking the worst cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
See if it does come off. Yeah, it will come off. Oh, it's cracking. It's fucking brittle.
I don't think it's taking the paint off though. Underneath it. It's sure it's just double-sided tape.
Beautiful,
yes, it's good. Oh, this camera's so sick though.
Fucking bad, mate. It's just the cold weather, it's brittle. There we go.
Look at it. Don't forget about the L.
Get that there. Fuck off.
Good deal.
See, the thing is, if it was black or gloss black,
Bit
I wouldn't mind.
ASMR
It
there, yo.
doesn't fucking go with anything.
I know, yeah, trust. Bit of ASMR there, yo.
Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, we'll give him a sound test as well. Fucking dog shot, man. It's thingy that 4K revs, 4.5, won't go
No,
past.
it's limited, isn't it? Paranoid.
Bag of shite, mate.
Don't know why I was just so low the whole time then.
Bag of Skittles. There we go. Get that the fuck off. I'll just
Look how
run.
nice that car looks.
If you
now.
watch the S3 video where I debudge it, you'll know how to get this off. I'll just spend some time on that.
Oh,
Fuck.
to get the
Yeah.
tape off, yeah, bearing on that.
Fuck.
Takes the life out.
I know.
Good deal, mate. Give that a wipe though for
There we go, we're winning.
you might want to give the bonnet a good wipe, mate.
Fucking hell, what's all
Yeah,
that?
bro, when people come and see that, mate. You know what, see footprints on a car, mate? I don't think so, big man.
Is it?
Huh?
Is that a bit more there? Look at that. Dirty bastard. Oh yeah, I'll give him a sound test now. Fucking disgusting, man.
Look at that, all the respect for this car, which was once his baby. Oh look, it's also got silver side mirrors like yours.
Yeah, bro, it's a thing. It's one of them things, is it? That's why I'm looking at this one thinking, should I even make them silver? Because
Does it make him silver or keep him silver?
keep them silver, because whenever you look at 8P, yeah, you look for the
No.
silver thingies, because if it ain't got silver, there's a bag of fucking nails, mate.
I know, but the thing is though, it's got wheels, it's got everything. This looks more like a Golf R.
Yeah, this
than
one you
S3
can
looks
black
like an
out.
A3.
That one, you need them like that because it's better. Because whenever you see that, you know it's an RS3 or an 8P. Whenever you don't see silvery thingies like that, it's a bag of nails. Right, what was I doing here? Oh yeah, it's keyless. Everything keyless. Very advanced. Very advanced.
If you watch the Audi A8 video, you see what
Yeah.
H4 needs to purchase. Whoa! Is it warm?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know where cold start is on this. Yeah, it's cold, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Head gasket on there. Yeah, so
It's cold, bro. We're having a car and cold start, bro.
that's what I mean, bro. Yeah, one or twice, it's not even stage 1 yet. So a little bit interesting facts. It's got Bridgestones on it.
1 second. No, focus on you.
Focus it. Be careful.
Yeah.
Be vigilant.
Yes.
Right. It's on Bridgestone tires. Right. So S3 versus Golf R, yeah. The Golf R is better at everything, except for turning angle. Shocking. Right. Turning angle is fucking bag of wank on this.
Oh, actually, show him. Turn the car on and just see how it locks like 3/4. It's
Yeah.
it literally doesn't even lock.
It's bag of skittles.
There's no such
mate.
thing as a 3-point turn in a Golf R. It's called a 5-point turn.
Yeah. It's pretty much.
One turn, that's it.
Right, that there's like that, yeah. And then I'm gonna bring it 360 and then 360.
It's just one, bro. It's just one turn.
Yeah, the whole. Yo, that. Yeah, in the turning angle is fucking shite.
But
What's
what's the benefit, Hamza?
I think this is cold start.
It's cold start. Yo,
Here, cold start on that.
tell him what the benefit of a bad turn angle is. Tell him,
Yeah, you have
tell
to do
him.
3-point turns every
No,
time.
what's the benefit? Tell him.
What is it?
How is it on the Benz, big man?
Oh, it's fucking sick, mate.
There
It's
we
so
go.
fucking. Yo, it handles better, yeah. The only problem is that the turning angle is shit. So, turns that you can take in that, like a little one time, all the way around like a U-turn, you won't be able to do it in this. But, what I needed to tell you is that road tax on that is £37 for me.
A month.
A month. This is £19 a month, £19 something. Okay. Now insurance on that is £997. Call it £1,000. So I'm paying £1,000 on the insurance on that, and then this one, the insurance is 1,390 something. So it's nearly 1,400 insurance. Okay. So it's like £500 more on insurance, but less on tax. because of the CO2 emissions. And what's that adaptive cruise control that it's got?
ACC, adaptive cruise control,
it's got
follows
that.
the car in front with the
Yeah,
speed.
it's fucking sick. We went four and a half hours, me and Jaff, to pick this car up, and it's well good. It just literally just follows the car in front. You set it up and you don't do nothing, honestly, because it's DSG. You don't even fucking press the pedals.
Not
bro.
that
You
you
just stay, that's it.
Not that you could keep up with me, but
I know,
you
yeah,
know,
you're fucking moving. Where is your car, by the way? Yeah, that's what I thought. The missus is going. It's a damn mouth. Get yourself 2 cars like H4, you know what I mean?
Don't make enough money, big man.
Because obviously most of you have got the S3 8P now. Some of you've got the Mark 6 Golf. I didn't want to get the Mark 6 Golf R because it would have been the exact same as the Audi S3, right? So I went with the Golf R. Have I missed anything here now? Yeah, the only thing it doesn't have is the pan roof and the, what are the speakers?
Dyno audio.
Dyno audio. It's got the rear view camera. It's got the folding mirrors. It's fucking alright, mate. Oh, leathers. Did you tell him
I mean, I sat inside the car, but
honestly,
I didn't really
yeah,
show him, bro.
this is the best thing ever. These seats are the best thing ever. It hugs you in perfectly. So nice. Forward audio.
You know it's got lumbar support as well. Did you know that?
Yeah, it's got it. Yeah.
Did you know that?
Yeah, I don't need it though. You do, you fucking old bastard.
Trust me, my bat was gone last night, but we were driving. Imagine, mate, you complain first.
Hey, what a Reese's Piece. I did, bro. I was so happy that we picked the car up. I didn't even have time
Didn't even
to
have a
eat.
sip of your iron.
That's what I mean, man. I didn't even fucking
I'll
open
have
it.
that anyways, be alright.
Yeah, I'll get that down here.
Is this your breakfast?
Yeah.
I had under bread and dal, bro.
I washed the car, innit? But then I looked at the S3, I was like, shall I wash it? I was fucking leave it. Bag of fucking go. Yeah, why not? Yeah.
No.
Huh?
Bro, you're not breakfast, man. You eating my treats.
Fucking hell. Cool. Man.
Go on, then, give it.
Fucking serious, man. The missus it here, she
Take it out,
watching.
bro. Take it out. Take it out. I have
Okay.
to eat it. I want one hand, bro.
Actually, don't touch the fucking thing. I'll put it in your mouth.
Oh, wait. Right, what they're recording of it, the video out. Oh.
Yeah, bro. Don't grease up my fucking £1,500 camera. My £800 lens. Alright, we can go about now. Oh shit, it's my driver. Well, it was a public street. So, have we missed anything here? Oh, I just need to fix this now. Open it up. Golf bars on the channel now. 9th car. Woo!
I'm a different kind of chick.